My favorite stretch is actually a stretch you do on your back, and it's called a leg lower exercise. And what I like about this exercise is you kill a lot of birds with one stone. You get hamstring, you get core, and you get hip flexor all at once. This is my body. I'm laying on my back, and these are my legs. My heels are up towards the ceiling. I make a 90-degree angle. I'm going to alternate. I'm going to bring one leg down and then alternate, bring the other leg down. What can be really helpful is you're going to grab a band or a towel or a belt and pull on this leg. So you get a hamstring stretch on one side, and then you get a hip flexor stretch and core control on the other side. And remember, your core is a stabilizer. It's not a prime mover. So I want to stabilize my spine and then move my arms and legs around that stable core. So always prioritize the spine first, then stretch the hips or shoulders or whatever it is you're stretching. So leg lowers, number one. And number two is a core activated half kneeling hip flexor stretch. Most people know this as just a psoas stretch or a hip flexor stretch. What I do first is I bring my rib cage down to my pelvis, and then I press down into something, and then I lift my front leg up. So if I'm here on this bench and I have one knee down, I'm going to press down into, say, a bench or a table, and then I'm going to lift this leg up. Notice none of that movement came from my spine. It's a core activated hip flexor stretch. So I lock down my rib cage and pelvis, and then I lift my front leg, which stretches my back leg and actually gets the deep psoas and the rec fem, which is your big muscle on the front of your quad, without expensing your spine to do it. That drill gets you a lot of core. You're going to feel that all in your stomach, even more than you're going to feel it in your hips.